Here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Unknown field. Some of it looks a bit like it's from Kuwait. Rules in millimetres. Materials wetted. The white that you're seeing there sometimes is the light reflecting. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer to them so you can have a better look. A little eye of colour up the top there. Something like this. This is just nice pattern material. It's thick enough that you could just polish it the way it is and put a string through the back there perhaps. It's got particularly nice colours in two areas here and here. So you're probably looking at cutting two stones. It's thick enough to support it. It's a nice piece of matrix sort of Kuwait material. Nice coloured little nut up the top there. It's the back. It's almost like conglomerate, that piece. Again, I think that'll have to come down a bit. Comes back to nothing on that side, but we end up with a nice little stone. Piece of Kuwait type material. Matrix. It's thick enough that you can just end up with a nice stone out of that. Nice colours. It's a particularly nice stone. Whether it goes anywhere under here I don't know. Probably not. So what's happened is the cutter's cut the edge off, but I don't know why he would have left this piece on there. Anyway, I think there's a few pieces there that have some nice potential. Hope you enjoyed watching. Cheers.